भैया एक बाकाबू की लेदर, एक मैश और एक कैनवस लगा दो, और हाँ सिंथेटिक भी लगा दे। अब अगर खाने की तरह जूतों में भी इतनी वैरायटी होती तो मजा नहीं आ जाता। एक सिंपल सवाल, शूज का बेस्ट मटेरियल कौन सा है? लेदर, मैश, कैनवस, रिपस्टॉप या फिर सिंथेटिक? So today we are breaking down the different shoe material so that you can pick the right one for you. Now let's talk about genuine leather. It's timeless, durable and a long-term investment. This is the Bakabuki Protector, and if you are looking for genuine leather, this is a must-have. Now synthetic leather. अब अगर प्रीमियम लुक चाहिए और कंफर्ट भी बिना 15,000 खर्च करे, then Groove is the way to go. Its PU leather is cruelty free. If you are a sustainable lover, this shoes is for you. Mesh, super lightweight and airy, especially for sports and everyday wear. This is Bakabuki Spectra with a breathable mesh and a soft foam cushioning which makes every step super comfortable. Now comes the canvas. Cool, casual, yet stylish. पर आप अगर इसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा पहनते हो, so you will need to take care a little bit more. With a soft canvas upper and a stylish design, the Kawai sneakers are the best pick for you. Last but not the least, ripstop fabric, durability ka king, tear-proof and built for adventures. The Superman is built differently. The ripstop fabric is ultra tough, which gives you comfort in tough terrains. So, material matters. अपने lifestyle के हिसाब से pick the best one for you. Leather and synthetic leather. Now what's the difference? They don't just look different, they also feel different. Real leather, natural, breathable और टाइम के साथ better दिखता है. Molds to your feet, जितना पहनोगे उतना comfortable लगेगा. Long lasting, but it needs a little bit of more care. Synthetic leather, सस्ता, easy to clean, vegan and sustainable. Looks like real leather, but cracks and peels faster. सोच समझ कर choose करना. Real leather are a great investment. But if you are a vegan lover, go for synthetic leather. अब सीजन बदलने पर सिर्फ कपड़े मत बदलो, जूते भी बदलो. Now for summers, mesh and canvas. Ultra breathable, lightweight, keeps your feet cool and best for casual wear. Now for winters, leather, suede, waterproof synthetic. ये आपके फीट्स को वार्म रखते हैं, बारिश हो या स्नो हो, no worries. और ये पानी को भी अंदर जाने से रोकता है. Now here's the catch. The ripstop fabric is for 365 days of adventure. Now that you know the best shoe material for durability, comfort, and seasons, what's your go-to material? Drop a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe for more shoe tips. See you in the next one.